This is our model Isaak from the HQ collection. Visualize the horseshoe parting to separate the top of the shape from the bottom. This horseshoe sits high in the recession and drops low in the back behind the ears, resting just above the occipital bone. Establish the head shape using freehand clipper, working with the grain of the hair. Work freehand, starting from the front hairline to center back with diagonal and vertical panels. Continue with freehand clipper work and diagonal panels to square off the sides of the shape. Use graduation at the back to expand and build the shape above the crown. Revisit when necessary to create a solid square silhouette. The tool and blade size can be variable. Choose which is most appropriate for the natural curl pattern and overall density. Refine the crown area. The highest part of the shape will rest just in front of the crown, tilting the top towards the face. Square off the front, working from the center out. Revisit the top again with a smaller blade size for ultimate refinement. Use freehand clipper work against the grain at the hairline. Be mindful to mimic the tilted horseshoe. Refine the fade, working with the grain of the hair. Adjust the pressure of the blade against the head to create consistent gradation. Detail and finish by cleaning up the neck area. Utilize freehand shear work for ultimate refinement. Etch the perimeter. Begin at the center front and work outward. Pat the prep and prime tonic into the surface of the shape.